guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Hana from Maxizm Construction Machinery. Today, follow my step. Let me introduce you the best brand of Chinese construction machinery, SANY. This is the main character of today, SY235H.
Look at this big guy. This is the main character today, 23.5-ton medium excavator. Equipped with ISUZU engine, you can totally trust the power to operate. Let's go to the bucket. Standard capacity is 1.12 cubic. Also, we can add to 1.4 cubic and whatever the type you need. For the operate parameters, digging height is 9630 mm and digging depth is 6785 mm.
Do you want to know more information and other construction machinery? Just contact me.